Mix ingredients. Fry eggs. Cut an apple. Slice a tomato. Bake a cake. Boil water. Peel potatoes. Grate some cheese. Grill sausages. Spread some chocolate butter. Chop an onion. Stir tea. Pour some juice. Roll out dough. Stir tea. Boil water. Roll out dough. Spread some chocolate butter. Fry eggs. Pour some juice. Cut an apple. Chop an onion. Slice a tomato. Mix ingredients. Bake a cake. Grate some cheese. Roll out dough. Grill sausages. Stir tea. Peel potatoes. Chop an onion. See you soon. Bye bye.